Welcome to this tutorial on SAP First Logon using Fiori. In this video, I will walk you through how to log in for the first time. Start by opening the SAP Fiori link shared by your instructor. Enter your assigned user ID. For this example, I am using learn-420. Now type in the initial password provided to you. Also enter the client number, which in my case is 230. Then click on Log On. Since this is your first login, SAP will ask you to set a new password. Enter your current password first, then create a new password and confirm it. Click Change to continue. Once that's done, you will be logged in and see the SAP Fiori Launchpad. This is where you will access all your apps and complete your work. That's it. Your account is now set up. If something doesn't work, double check your user ID, client number and password. You are all set to start using SAP.